Howdy Bobcats, welcome back to another episode of The Sage. I'm Leah Ertel.
And I'm Grace Cowart. We have an exciting and informative show for you today, including a summary on Friday's pep rally,
A flag football recap,
a PSA on trash pickup around our campus,
and finally a piece on the haunted corn maze. Without further ado, let's get started.
Hey Leah, what did you think of the pep rally?
My favorite part was when Coach Kung roasted all the flag football teams.
Yeah. Well, our next package is a review of the Pink Out rally with Austin Jew and Jacob Dougherty.
I need to know, what does your team name stand for? It doesn't matter what it stands for! The bigger picture is this! Tonight, we are going to be hitting some revenge! Sit down! We'll see you tonight! Detention room out!
Thanks guys, kudos to ASB for putting on an awesome assembly.
Likewise, now that we have a recap on the flag football team that took place last Friday with Holden, Kopman, and Caleb and Seth Fletcher.
Following Friday's pep rally, Sage Creek hosted a flag football event that brought both boys and girls to participate in friendlier games from 5 to 7 p.m., while the staff v. student portion lasted from 7 to 9. Here's perspective from player in the student v. student games following a match.
Touchdown! Wow! Oh, my teammates. There's this one big dude. He's very muscular, you know, and he's kind of scary.
This event also held multiple food trucks to pick, which made sure students could be provided with food while watching the games. This made the option of food easier, as students would not be forced to leave campus in the process.
I'm excited because I get to watch my friends play flag football, and they have snacks, so I'm happy.
Unfortunately, some looking forward to participate in the event were unable due to injury or absence. This was the case for Archie Matsuzi.
I'm not playing today because I sprained my ankle, but I'm happy to be here because I want to support my team.
This has been Holden Kopman, Seth and Caleb Fletcher reporting for The Sage. Sending it back to the anchors.
Now that is embarrassing. The first time in ever,
And hopefully the only time.
where the teachers, the detention room, have won against us students.
Up next, we have Skylar Roy, Makena Coleman, and Jack Donnelley on a PSA about trash around campus.
Take it away, guys.
At Sage Creek, the issues we've had on campus have been minimal, but one ongoing problem our school has had to face is trash.
We have seen more and more trash left out at the tables on campus, specifically at break and at lunch.
During lunch almost every day, trash is left behind by students that litters our beautiful campus and adds extra work to our custodial staff's already full plate. Another reason why this trash dilemma is so significant for Sage is because it is out of character for our normally responsible and upstanding school.
It's not who we are as a school. At our school we have our core values of be you, be your best for every Bobcat every day. And the idea that we have of being responsible citizens and being responsible Bobcats, you know, when you're just leaving your trash behind, it just demonstrates that lack of responsibility.
Staff and student alike that are concerned about this issue believe this problem has a simple fix if all Bobcats can pitch in.
So just doing your part to make sure that you're cleaning up your trash at lunch or at brunch, and then even as you're walking around, just making sure that if other people aren't picking up their trash, maybe remind them to just, hey, you know, pick up your trash, or if they won't do it, then you guys need to be the ones to step up and do it for them. Again, from my lens, it's really simple. It's pick up your trash.
I know a lot of students and staff have reached out, and we want to make a change. We would like all of our students to just pick up trash that's on campus. Whether or not it's yours or someone else's, let's keep our campus clean.
At the end of the day, Bobcats, we all need to do our part to pick up our trash, because this campus doesn't just belong to the city, it belongs to all of us. This is Makena Coleman with Skylar and Jack Donnelley reporting for The Sage.
So people, the moral of the story is pick up your trash.
Yes, please do. Now we have a piece on the strawberry field in Agua Hedionda's annual haunted corn maze with Sam Carroll, Angela Huang, and Darby Hunt.
With Halloween creeping around the corner, many festivities for the holiday have begun, like the pumpkin patch at the Carlsbad Strawberry Company. For only 2 days a week, Fridays and Saturdays, from 7 to 10, attendees can enjoy the many attractions here at the pumpkin patch. Several attractions here include the tractor rides, bounce houses, farm animals, and more. Not only do they stop at attractions, they have lots of food trucks and many photo opportunities to partake in. One of the many highlights of this event are the famous haunted corn maze, where jump scares come at you left and right.
So scary. Well, I was crying the whole time. Jump out of the bushes. And you don't know what's coming next. Like we wouldn't even walk into it. They would like chase you and then like jump out of you from the bushes. Those actual like chainsaws are like actually real. Like I smelled the gas. They were like coming at you. I recommend going. It was fun. It was fun to get scared, even though it was like I almost like peed my pants.
Now for the brave journalists who ventured into the mazes.
Now, at the moment. Okay, thanks.
This is Sam Carroll, Angela Huang, and Darby Hunt for The Sage.
Don't have many plans to do this Halloween season? Well, the corn maze is a fun yet spooky experience.
Well, that's all for this week's show.
Make sure to follow us on our social media platforms and check out our website for more information about our school and around town. This has been Leah Ertel
and Grace Cowart reporting for The Sage.